Mulu National Park, Mulu Part 8. What you need to know about Camp 5 basic accommodation. I've stayed at basic accommodations in other national parks before, including Tanjung Datu National Park. So I came to Camp 5 expecting something similar, simple, rugged, and purely functional. But to my surprise, Camp 5 was much more comfortable than I imagined. The dorms were spacious, the surroundings clean, and everything felt well cared for, all while still being deep in the jungle. Surprisingly, Camp 5 even has Wi-Fi, thanks to Starlink, although it's not always consistent. Sometimes it works best late at night, when fewer people are online. Still, having any internet connection this deep in the rainforest feels like a luxury. In front of us, the limestone mountains glowed in the soft golden light of the evening. It was around PM golden hour in the jungle. The cliffs above Camp 5 turned a warm orange hue, and the entire valley felt calm, quiet, and surreal. You sleep on raised wooden platforms with thin mattresses, under mosquito nets, with the sound of the river in the background. At Camp 5, we all shared one big room and open-air dormitory with thin mattresses laid side by side. Camp 5 also has a basic shared kitchen equipped with gas stoves, sinks, and preparation areas. And after using anything plates, spoons, or pots, you're expected to clean up after yourself. The kitchen also provides refill stations for drinking water and hot water. Just behind the kitchen, you'll find the toilets and showers simple, clean, and well maintained. As evening settled in, it was finally dinner time at Camp 5. For those who pre-booked, meals were provided simple, hearty local dishes served hot and ready. After a long trek, sitting down to a warm dinner surrounded by towering limestone cliffs was the perfect way to end the day. After dinner, we gathered quietly under the dim lights for a short briefing by our guide, Jason. He explained the plan for the next morning, the climb to the Pinnacles, the early wake-up call, and what to expect on the trail. This is how it looks inside the dorm: rows of thin mattresses under a high wooden roof, each spot with its own mosquito net. As the night settles in, we quietly prepare our gear for the Pinnacles, hike, lay out our essentials, and try to get some rest before the big day. One more thing: be prepared for snorers. In a shared dorm like this, a good pair of high-quality earplugs is essential, or you'll be stuck listening to a symphony of snores all night, like the Titanic soundtrack on repeat. Trust me, you'll thank yourself in the morning. Another useful tip: bring a mini fan and a power bank if you can. It gets pretty hot at night, especially if you're sleeping in the middle of the dorm. But if you're near the open-air side and have a small fan, it makes a big difference: cooler, more comfortable, and definitely easier to sleep and snoring. I am sorry to those who couldn't sleep because of our symphony of snoring melodies echoing through the night. But hey, it's all part of the experience. Shared rooms, shared stories, and shared snores. At 5 a.m., we woke up in the darkness, sleepy but excited. With our headlamps on and gear ready, it was time to begin the toughest part of the journey. At 5:30 a.m., we gathered quietly in the kitchen area for an early breakfast. Simple, warm food to fuel the climb ahead. We also packed our lunch rations, enough to keep us going all the way to the Pinnacles and back. Mulu National Park. Coming up next, a quick warm-up session before we head into the jungle. The adventure to the Pinnacles begins.